It's another day in my channel, guys. Welcome back. As you can see, I'm going to make my nails on a budget. This is the nail polish remover, the cotton pads that I'm going to use to remove all the nail polish, my nail clipper, because I really love to use nail clippers. And also I chose the pink Kitex for the week. There are two. I was like going between which one should I take, but eventually, oh, there's also red. And I'm thinking, which one really? Which one should I wear? Okay, now see my nails, guys. Oh, ladies, please don't do this. Don't do this. So embarrassing. I'm so embarrassed with myself. You gotta put it together. So first, I'm going to take my nail polish remover and my one cotton ball. As you can see me talking to my kids, oh my god, whenever I start recording they just want to be in my face, so I'm telling them to behave. Okay, so now I'm just putting in the nail polish remover, trying to remove. You know, I love to do DIYs. I love to save money a lot for a rainy day, you know. Yes, it's good here and there to, you know, to spoil yourself, but when I have time like this, I will just do what I gotta do, you know. Still look cute, but on a budget. And some of the things that we pay for, you can easily do it at home, you know. It will take less than an hour to do that at the comfort of your home and by yourself. Okay, I'm removing the nail polish from the previous week. So every week I put nail polish. Look at my nails, guys. You know that I work with kids and I have kids at home as well, so I don't want any accident that I might scratch them, or even when I'm preparing food that I have dirtied my nails. No, so I just want to keep them short and cute at the same time, you know. So that's what I'm trying to achieve at the end of this video. Let's just wait and see. I'm busy talking, singing, so many things happening. Yes, that is me, real life. From your home to mine, from my home to yours. I think I'm left with the fingernails. Okay, guys, what have you been up to? Tell me. Recently I've been so devastated because I heard that in Thailand there was an earthquake. Oh my god, I'm so devastated. One of my favorite YouTubers, Lena G and King, are now there in Thailand, and to see Lena sobbing and crying, oh, it really broke my heart. I wouldn't I wouldn't wish even that on my enemy. No way. It's so scary. And she has a very cute babies, and they were left all alone up with the nanny at the 18th floor, and they're down. It really sent shivers on my spine. But thank God they're all doing well. Everything is good. All things work together for good to them who love the Lord. Okay, I'm done with my nail polish. I'll just close it. The nail remover. On to that I don't have those, you know, other things. I think maybe next time I should buy. I should invest in more. But for now, I'm just working with what I have. So I'm going to clip all my nails. I just have sauce, and I'm going to okay, so I'm just clipping on the nails. This is on my face. I'm doing well. suffocatingly hot. So that's why you see now I'm just wearing my own hair. Maybe very soon I will, but for now I'm happy with my like before I wasn't confident, all my hairline and everything. But now it's okay. At least I should let my hair braid, my hairline it's like there was one day that I just wanted to pull it off of my hair and then I was like, oh God. God help me, then just go home. As soon as I arrived home, I just moved to the door. I'm free. I'm done. I'm finished all cutting my nails for the hands. Now on to the cuties. No polish. Yay. Which one am I going to choose? I'm so excited. I went with the Summer Breeze King. I love me some. Now just coming from winter, but it's starting. I can see. I'm sure by April or June. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so hot. But God is there for us. We just have to keep hydrated all the time because we'll be sweating a lot. So if you have any ideas of how I can, skincare, even if you try skincare, you go outside, you're sweating it off. So I don't know, guys. Any suggestions what I can do for my skincare? So I'm just almost done now. Consider yourself, guys. If you reach by this time of the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let's chat down. See you in the next video. Bye.